Septic tank sizing for a tiny house must match lower, but variable wastewater flows to prevent frequent pump-outs and system failures. Calculate expected wastewater by estimating daily gallons per person using conservative low-flow numbers, and then apply retention and sludge storage requirements from local code. For many tiny house situations, a small capacity tank between 500 and 1,000 gallons can be appropriate, but full-time occupancy often requires larger or clustered tanks to meet minimum volume rules. If you choose a holding tank plan for intermittent sites, schedule reliable pump-outs and size the tank to cover the longest interval between services plus a safety margin for guests or events. Install high-efficiency, solids-reducing fixtures such as low-flow toilets with macerators and low-flow shower heads to cut suspended solids and biochemical oxygen demand so the tank needs less frequent pumping. Use a riser to grade so inspections and pump-outs are quick and less disruptive, and include accessible cleanouts and inspection ports as required by local inspectors. Consider effluent filters on the outlet to protect downstream drain fields and reduce solids carryover. These save on repair costs and extend drainfield life. When in doubt, model worst-case scenarios for occupancy and holiday peaks, and then add a 20% safety buffer to the calculated tank volume to avoid surprises. Common mistakes include undersizing the tank for periodic guest spikes, which causes early solids accumulation and clogging, so plan for peak use and add the safety buffer. Another frequent issue is relying on low-quality fixtures without addressing solids management, which you solve by choosing macerating or high-efficiency fixtures and installing an effluent filter. A third problem is ignoring local code minimums or misreading setback and installation rules, so review local regulations early and consult a qualified septic designer or installer to ensure compliance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home service needs related to septic and tiny house projects, helping people find local providers and share practical experiences. We also host a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and learn from others managing tiny house wastewater systems.